In 2017, petitioners were appointed. After 3-4 months,
Who
petitioners
is for the
appointed.
council?
My lord,
Council Murshidabadi were there.
petitioner's appointment was terminated. On the ground, my lord, that petitioner had special B.Ed, and special B.Ed was not a training qualification for primary. Their candidature was cancelled. Thereafter, my lord, I filed the first round of litigation claiming that I should be treated as an untrained candidate, since untrained candidates were permitted to be appointed and I secure more marks. In 2023, the coordinate bench relegated the matter to the DPSC for taking a decision. DPSC passed an order that now it is with everything is with the board. The board should take a decision in this regard. My writ petition is, my lord, that there are candidates in untrained category, in my category untrained, who are working. Now, my lord, when the matter was taken up before the coordinate bench, they are saying that by this coordinate bench cancel 32,000 appointments, untrained candidates appointments, that was carried to the Supreme Court and also the division bench. Now the matter is pending before the division bench and there is a stay. So this matter should not be heard. My submission is, my lord, I am unemployed from 2007 till date. Persons who are secured less marks are working. I may be reinstated subject to result of Priyanka Noshko's matter. I don't know when the Priyanka Noshko's matter will be decided. I am unemployed. If admittedly, if it is found that persons securing less marks are continuing with their job, I should also be allowed to perform my duties subject to result of Priyanka Noshko. This is my case.
I see there is an order.
Yes.
14th of June.
14th of June. The matter was adjourned sine die.
My lord, thereafter I mentioned, my lord, yes, Friday itself the matter was taken up
All
on my
right.
mentioning. And
I do not see any order of Friday.
My lord, Mr. Banerjee appeared, my lord. Friday.
Whatever. There is a supplementary affidavit. Did you get a copy?
My lord, we have been served and we need to, my lord, deal with it.
My lord,
Deal with it means?
There are certain figures given,
Yes.
as also in the writ petition, which says candidates who have scored, whose total score is less than these petitioners, they were recommended. My lord, we need to check up and deal with it.
My lord,
What were you doing for so long? What were you doing for so long?
This supplementary affidavit was served in July.
I have
So
taken
what?
this point in my writ petition also.
The writ is pending from 23.
Yes. My lord,
More than a year.
my lord, this was adjourned on 14th of June 2023.
That does
thereafter-
not mean that you will not take instruction in the matter.
Yes.
My lord, DPSC is my appointing authority. The record is with the DPSC that whether how many candidates in my category are working with less marks. They are the appointing authority. The record are lying with them.
My lord, paragraph 7, page 5 of the writ petition, the pleading is clear that they applied as untrained candidates. If they applied as untrained candidates by dint of the coordinate bench judgment, their appointment is gone.
And my lord, I am also covered by a coordinate bench judgment that persons having special B.Ed should be treated as a trained in primary. It is an interim order. Even if that, I am also covered by this judgment also, special B.Ed are to be treated as a training qualification for primary. Their appointments are also terminated.
My lord, one thing I want to clarify, in the 2016 recruitment process, B.Ed was not a trained qualification. They are espousing their cause for the 2016 recruitment process.
Yes, this is also 2016, Rehana Khat. My lord, subject to question, DPSC may be directed to say what is
What is your council's stand?
Page 67. Page 67 is our stand.
This is impugned. PH.
Yes, 67 to 69.
We didn't reject their claim. We say since they were recommended by the board as trained and ultimately found the training is not correct, so my lord, we have cancelled their appointment. And
Have you
after
cancelled the appointment of similarly placed candidates?
the persons who are with us, my lord, we have the persons with this qualification.
Yes.
Now, my lord, we have referred the issue before the board because now they are claiming that they are to be treated as untrained. Even then, they secure higher mark. That's their claim. So, my lord, since they were recommended by the board as trained and now they are claiming as untrained, what would be the fate? We have referred the matter before the board. What would be the board's decision? We are, my lord, bound by that.
My lord, let the records produced by the DPSC that whether any candidates I have pleaded specifically.
Which
whether-
paragraph?
My lord, this is at page, my lord, page 8, paragraph 30,
Page 8, paragraph.
as well as in the
30.
supplementary affidavit.
Is there anything new in the supplementary?
Yes, my lord, supplementary affidavit, board published a district-wise cutoff category-wise. That was after that I have annexed, my lord. Page 5. This is a
Page
district
5, district wise.
cutoff, medium, Bengali medium, my lord.
My lord, the category, the medium, the opted district,
lord,
everything has to
07.
tally.
1 minute, not 1
07,
second.
my lord, is Murshidabad. 07 is Murshidabad.
Where is the district?
My lord, 07 is Murshidabad district code, my lord, at the very opted for 07 means district code.
Yes, 7 is a district code. All are there
For
are so
Murshidabad.
many.
07 is for Murshidabad.
I understand there are so many Bengali.
Yes, Bengali, my lord. I am Bengali.
You are Bengali.
Unreserved, if my lord, there is unreserved, there is OBC.
Unreserved.
Even if there is a candidate in unreserved securing less marks, I am entitled.
Yes. So unreserved, how many are there? 3. 07 Muhammad Firoz Sheikh. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 3.
16.134, my lord. Last column, my lord. 134.
16.134.
And kindly see my marks, my lord.
Muhammad Firoz Sheikh. How much did you get?
My lord, one of the petitioner gets 17.10, another 17.52, another 17.092.
All 3 are
My lord,
have secured
unreserved, BCA
unreserved
and SC.
general. Unreserved general is getting 16.13 and working. And SC candidate
SC candidate, my lord, if
getting more marks
more marks.
is out of service. What is to be done?
My lord, I have to check these figures. Number 1. Number 2 is that he applied as a trained candidate. He was recommended as a
No,
trained
but then
candidate.
similarly placed candidates are also there.
My lord, they are untrained. By reason of Justice Gangopadhyay's judgment, all untrained gone.
But that
He
is
is
failed.
also untrained. Right now,
Applied as
petitioner-
trained. Applied as trained.
But then you treat him as untrained.
How can I do that? The recruitment process is over. Panel expired.
That is long ago.
Yes.
But then candidates are still working.
Candidates are still working on the strength of an interim order passed by this honorable court.
Yes. Why will the same interim order not be passed in case of the petitioners also?
Because 2016, they applied as trained
If
candidates.
you want to check up the details,
Yes, yes,
check up and come.
yes.
Please come. Supplementary affidavit filed by the petitioners is taken on record. Copy served upon the learned advocate representing the respective parties. Learned advocate representing the board seeks time to take instruction in the matter. When do I keep it?
31st, my lord.
Why so late? The candidates are out of job.
My lord, so many directions are there. My secretary is to comply with. That's why I was.
What are the directions?
My lord, today, several directions were passed, my lord. If my lord wants it earlier, my lord, I leave it to the discretion of this honorable.
Obviously, it has to be earlier. 24th of July.
My lord, subject.
What are the other? Yes.
DPSC, my lord, the records are with them. My appointment, they should also come up that whether
Right.
the persons are working with less marks than me. Because the main records are with the DPSC.
Possibly the board will also have records.
My lord, in all other cases, my lord,
Very well,
it
the
has been
district
submitted
primary,
that
district
entire
primary
record is
school
with
council.
DPSC, we have nothing.
Legal in learned advocate for the DPSC Murshidabad shall also come ready with necessary instructions. And specifically as to whether candidates with less marks than the petitioners are still in service or not. This is Rahman Mollik's judgment. Would you like to refer to other judgments also?
No, my lord, only
Only
this.
this? And would the respondents like to refer on certain judgments?
My lord,
Would the respondents like to refer certain judgments?
on the next day, my lord.
30,
এটা কত? না, 30।
it has been placed under the upgraded head and nobody is there. Board of Primary Education,
আমাদের কাছে বিট নেই এটা 34 জজ সাহেব